Seal your feet inside plastic bags tonight like this. And what happens to dry skin, fungal buildup, cracked heels, and the deep exhaustion that builds up from a full day on your feet? Stop throwing away money on expensive spa treatments until you see what this simple trick does. Most people have absolutely no idea that combining 3 basic kitchen ingredients can completely transform something you probably struggle with every single day. Look closely at this empty container. I'm starting with a base of warm water, but what we are about to add next is the real secret. If you've been looking for a flawless, effortless shortcut to smoother skin without spending a fortune, you need to watch every single second of this video. First, we're taking exactly 2 tablespoons of salt. Now you might think salt is just for cooking, but watch how it starts to prime the mixture. Next, we are adding 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. I know it sounds like an odd combination, but the chemical reaction between these two is where the magic actually happens. Finally, to lock everything in and make sure it doesn't dry out, we're pouring in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Watch how the oil separates and floats on top. This isn't just a random mix. This is a powerful, hyper-targeted home remedy. As I stir this together, let it completely dissolve. You're probably wondering, what on earth am I supposed to do with this liquid? Is it for your face? Is it a hand scrub? Trust me, the way we apply this is going to shock you. Grab 2 ordinary plastic grocery bags, just like the ones you see here. Yes, everyday shopping bags. If you've ever felt embarrassed by rough skin, calluses, or cracked heels, this next step is going to be a complete game changer for you. Slip your feet right into the bags. Now carefully pour that powerful solution directly inside the bag around your feet. Why are we doing this? The white vinegar gently breaks down hardened, dead skin cells. The salt acts as an intense natural purifier, and the olive oil deeply penetrates to hydrate the fresh skin underneath. By trapping it all inside the plastic bag, you're creating a localized steam room effect that forces the nutrients deep into your skin. Tie the bag securely around your ankles, leave it on for 15 minutes, and prepare to be amazed when you rinse it off. Your feet will literally feel like baby skin. So, are you ready to unlock the ultimate spa day right in your own kitchen? If you are going to try this at home tonight, drop a comment down below and type skincare right now. Tie the bag securely around your ankles, just like this, to trap all that moisture and warmth inside. Now, the real secret is letting it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While you wait, the vinegar and salt are working overtime to dissolve years of rough textures, while the olive oil creates a protective moisture barrier that ordinary lotions just can't match. When you take your feet out and rinse them with warm water, you won't even recognize them. The dead skin will literally wipe right away, leaving you with that incredibly soft, glowing, fresh from the salon feel, but without the hefty price tag. You can repeat this once a week to keep your skin looking absolutely flawless all year round. Seriously, why spend money on expensive products packed with chemicals when the ultimate beauty hack is sitting right inside your pantry? Try it tonight and see the magic for yourself. If you are ready to unlock the ultimate spa day right in your own kitchen and give this a shot, drop a comment down below and type skincare right now so I know who is joining the challenge.